Hey guys, let us start with the next question, that is question number 22. In question number 22, it is given that y is equal to sine cube of x, and uh, we have to find the nth derivative of this function. We know that sine cube of x is equal to 3 sine x upon minus sine of 3x upon 4. So this is the formula of sine 3x. By just rearranging the terms, we will get sine cube of x. So this is our y function. We have to find its nth derivative. So its nth derivative is simple. So first of all, we can write y function as 3 by 4 sine x minus 1 by 4 sine 3x. We know that if y is equal to sine of ax plus b, then its nth derivative is a raised to the n sine of ax plus b plus n pi by 2. So by using this formula, we can write its nth derivative of y is 3 by 4 into 1 raised to the n, that is 1. So this is sine of x plus n pi by 2 minus 1 by 4 into 3 raised to the n sine of 3x plus n pi by 2. So this can be written as 3 by 4 sine of x plus n pi by 2 minus 3 raised to the n by 4 sine of 3x plus n pi by 2. So this is nth derivative of sine cube of x. Next question is, that is question number 23. In question number 23, it is given that if y is equal to x raised to the n, find nth derivative, its nth derivative. It is actually simple. We know that if y is equal to ax plus b raised to the m, then its nth derivative is here. Remember that if we compare these two functions, then here we will get m is equal to n, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. This is our first observation. So nth derivative of, in this case, nth derivative of yn is m factorial upon m minus n factorial into ax plus b raised to the m minus n into a raised to the n. Here value of a is 1, m is equal to n. As m is equal to n, this becomes n factorial upon n minus n factorial into x raised to the n minus n into 1 raised to the n. So this is n factorial upon 0 factorial into x raised to the 0 into 1. So this 0 factorial is 0 factorial is 1. This x raised to the 0 is 1. This is 1. So this is only n factorial. That is, if y is equal to x raised to the n, then its nth derivative is n factorial. This was actually a simple question. Next question is, find n minus, that is question number 24. In question number 24, we have to find n minus 1th derivative of y is equal to x raised to the n. Y is equal to x raised to the n. We know that nth derivative of ax plus b raised to the m is equal to m factorial into a raised to the n into ax plus b raised to the m minus n upon m minus n factorial. Here we have to find n minus 1th derivative. So n minus 1th derivative becomes n minus 1th derivative of x raised to the n. So here value of a is 1, value of b is 0, value of m is n. So this becomes m factorial, this becomes n factorial into a raised to the n. Value of a is 1, so this is 1. So this becomes x raised to the n minus n. Here we are taking n minus 1th derivative, so instead of n we are writing n minus 1. So this becomes plus upon m minus n factorial, that is n minus n plus 1 factorial. So this can be written as n factorial into x upon n minus 1 is 0, 1 factorial is 1, therefore n minus 1th derivative of x raised to the n is n factorial into x. So this is again a simple question. We have to just replace n by n minus 1, m by n, a by 1 and b by 0. So this is its final answer. Next question, that is question number 26. In question number 26 we have to find the nth derivative of log of 3x plus 4. It is given that this is y function. We know that if y is equal to log of ax plus b, then its nth derivative yn is minus 1 raised to the n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into a raised to the n upon ax plus b raised to the n. So here value of a is 3, value of b is 4. So just replace a and b in the formula by these values. So our yn function becomes minus 1 raised to the n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into 3 raised to the n upon 3x plus 4 raised to the n. So this is our final answer. Next question is we have to find nth derivative. That is question number 27. In this question we have to find nth derivative of y is equal to e raised to the x sin x. Here this is our y function. We know that if y is equal to e raised to the ax sin of ax plus b, sin of bx plus c, then yn is equal to r raised to the n e raised to the x sin of bx plus c plus n theta. So here where r is equal to square root of a square plus b square and theta is tan inverse of b by a. So this is nth derivative of this function. So just comparing the values, we will get r is equal to 1 plus 1, that is root 2, and theta is tan inverse of 1 by 1, that is pi by 4. So our nth derivative becomes root 2 raised to the n e raised to the x sin of x plus n pi by 4, because value of theta is pi by 4. So this is our final answer. Question number 28 is similar. In question number 28 we have to find nth derivative of e raised to the 2x cos of 3x plus 4. Again here value of r is square root of 4 plus 9, that is square root of 13, and theta is equal to tan inverse of b by a. Here b is 3, a is 2, so this is tan inverse of 3 by 2. So our yn becomes root 13 raised to the n e raised to the 2x cos of 3x plus 4 plus n tan inverse of 3 by 2. This was actually an easy question. Next question, that is question number 29. In question number 29 we have to find nth derivative if y is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 cube. We know that if y is equal to 1 upon ax plus b raised to the n, then its nth derivative is minus 1 raised to the n m plus n minus 1 factorial upon m minus n factorial into ax plus b raised to the m plus n. So just by comparing the values, here value of a is 1, value of b is 1, value of m is 3. So just substituting the values in the formula, we will get yn is equal to minus 1 raised to the n, value of m is 3 plus n minus 1 factorial upon m, that is 3 minus 1 factorial into x plus 1 raised to the n plus 3. So this is minus 1 raised to the n into 2 plus n factorial upon 2 into x plus 1 raised to the n.